In 2012, researchers at Stanford studied a rare neurological disorder where a child could feel pain that wasn't there. Phantom pain. Imaginary, but real. But what if a child didn't just feel things, she made others feel them too? Tonight, we travel back to the year 1873, to a tiny German-American farming village in Iowa. A place where something impossible happened. A place where logic failed. This is the story of Emma Richter, the girl science couldn't explain. If you love chilling historical mysteries, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. Because the tale you're about to hear, it's the kind that never leaves you. Setting the stage. The year was 1873. America was recovering from the Civil War. Industrialization was creeping in, but most people in the Midwest still lived slow, rural lives. In the outskirts of Dubuque County, Iowa, lived the Richter family, German immigrants. Luther and Magdalene Richter were hardworking farmers with 5 children. But it was their youngest daughter, Emma, who would change everything. She was 6 years old. Blonde hair, quiet, observant, and from the moment she was born, things around her were never quite normal. The beginning of strange behavior. Emma spoke late, very late, but when she finally did, her first words were chilling. "He's in the barn, watching." Her parents dismissed it. Children say strange things. But then came the incidents. Animals avoided her. Horses refused to let her near. Dogs growled low under their breath. Her siblings fell sick whenever she was near them. And Emma? She stayed perfectly healthy. One night, her mother found her sitting upright in bed, eyes open, muttering in German, a language she was never taught. The family priest called her a troubled soul. The doctor said she might have epilepsy. But no one had answers. Only fear. Escalation. As Emma grew older, things got worse. Objects moved when she was upset. Silverware flew off tables. Doors slammed shut without wind. One day, her older brother Jacob began screaming, claiming he saw Emma's face twist and stretch unnaturally while she stared at him from across the room. He swore she wasn't blinking. Not once. Then came the burns. Her mother, while cooking, felt her arms scald suddenly. No fire. No boiling water. Just blistering pain. Across the room, Emma was watching, eyes wide, silent. Later that night, she confessed, "I didn't mean to. I was just thinking about it." The tests. Word spread quickly. A possessed girl on a farm in Iowa. Journalists arrived. So did doctors, priests, skeptics. Dr. Henry Bellows, a physician from Chicago, came to investigate. He wrote, "She does not fake. Her eyes are not those of a liar. She speaks truths she could not possibly know." They tested her. Showed her sealed envelopes with numbers inside. Emma named them. Correctly. Repeatedly. Another test, placing a hot coal inside a locked box. Without opening it, Emma gasped and said, "It burns." The box was later opened in front of a crowd. The coal inside still glowed red. Theories. Explanations poured in, but none held up. Some said she had a magnetic aura, similar to mesmerism or animal magnetism. Others insisted it was mass hysteria. Some doctors claimed she had a rare neurological disorder, but couldn't name one that matched her symptoms. The Catholic Church sent 2 men to observe. After 2 days, they left without a word. They never returned. Locals began to whisper. Was Emma gifted, cursed, or something in between? Emma herself told a reporter once, "I feel things before they happen. Sometimes I see what people hide." She was only 9. The final incident. The final incident came without warning. One spring night, a terrible storm rolled through the area. The Richter barn was struck by lightning, bursting into flames. The family rushed outside, screaming. But Emma didn't move. She stood in the yard, eyes locked on the fire. Her hands clenched. Witnesses say she began to glow, just slightly. Her hair lifted as if in static. And then, the fire stopped. Not burned out. Just gone. Mid-flame. Smoke remained. But the fire? Extinguished like a candle. Emma collapsed. And for 2 days, she didn't wake. What happened after? Emma recovered. But her powers, or whatever they were, vanished. She grew up quietly. Married a blacksmith. Moved to Ohio. No children. No further incidents. She died in 1931 at the age of 64. Her husband, when asked about her past, simply said, "She was the kindest woman I ever met." But there was something about her, something otherworldly. To this day, no one knows what truly happened in 1873. Her medical file vanished in a fire. No photos remain, only sketches. But her story has passed through generations, whispered by those who still live near that old Iowa farm. Some mysteries die with time, others linger. Emma Richter was never diagnosed, never studied properly. She remains the girl science couldn't explain. If you enjoyed this tale and want more horror stories like this, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a mystery. And share this video with someone who loves the unexplained. Until next time, stay curious and stay close to the light.